Right now, and for all of my work life, I've had excellent, excellent health care. People have been very jealous because I've had excellent health care. Now that I'm retiring in 6 weeks, I realized, what am I going to do about health care? I'm reasonably healthy. My first idea was to go without health care. Just 6 months, and then I would be on Medicare. My doctor said, please, Linda, please, I beg you, do not go without health care. Anything could happen at any time. I said, okay, I will look into it. I have been looking on websites for all types of HMOs. It's so confusing. My question is, what do I do for health care through the health exchanges from the time that I retire and 6 months later when Medicare kicks in?